Hey guys, and welcome back. Today's video is a Ross haul. It has been quite a while since I have bought any home decor. We are moving into a new home in about 3 weeks. So I got a bunch of farmhouse decor and I can't wait to share it with you guys. So if you are interested in seeing what I got, then stay tuned. So like I said, I have several things that I consider farmhouse home decor. I had a birthday this past weekend and I basically spent all of my birthday money on eating out and Ross. So I'm just gonna jump right into it. I'm gonna try to show you these larger items first so I can get them out of the way. So this first one, it's probably the least farmhouse-ish item of all, but I like it. I don't know what you would call it exactly, but so basically it's just a large, what are these things called? Not a vase. I mean, I guess you could call it just a very large vase, but anyway. So yeah, this was $12.99 and I'm thinking about just like putting some cotton stems inside. Not really sure. I might put some eucalyptus because I think that's really pretty. Okay, so this other one, I was so excited when I saw it. I need more shelves and things like that to put on my walls. I basically just need more wall decor, I guess you would say. So I'm gonna flip it and show you guys. I'm not sure if I can get all of it in the shot, but there we go. So this is a shelf and it is, you know, like tin, I guess you would say, with a wooden top. It's very pretty. So this was, yeah, it's called galvanized wall decor, basically, is what the label says. So this was $16.99. Not really sure where I'm going to put this yet, if I'm going to put it in my bedroom, maybe the living room, or the dining room. Not sure. One of those three places. So this one, I guess, is not really considered home decor or farmhouse, actually, but I just thought it was too cute not to get. So this coffee cup says Big Daddy. This says Hot Mama. My husband is the big guy, so I thought it would be perfect. We like to go on the back porch, the back patio, and sip coffee on the weekends every once in a while, and that's kind of like our date night because we don't actually get away for too many date nights. Moving on, I thought this was really cute to put on the wall. It says can't touch this. Well, it's like a little, I don't know if that's considered galvanized or if it's just kind of just rustic looking. So this one was actually $4.99. If you can see, sorry, so bright. I'm right beside my window because it's the best lighting. So yeah, I thought this was really cute. And here's another wall piece. My 4-year-old said that she wanted this in her bedroom. Every good and perfect gift is from above, James 1:17. I love it that it's also gray and white. Very pretty. So this was $5.99. Most of their signs are between like $5 and $7 if you've never been there before. They're really cute. Signs like that, not the larger ones. So there's a little story with this one. I started out seeing some orange ones that would be good for like summer or fall, really, just depending on what you put it with. And I didn't want to get those. So I picked up some green ones and I was like, no, I'm not crazy about these either because everything I bought, I wanted to like love, just absolutely love. I didn't want to buy anything that was just okay. So I put the green ones back and I picked up some blue and silver. I thought, oh, these would be perfect for winter. And I changed my mind again and I put them back. And then as I'm in like the kitchen section of Ross, I bend down and I look and I see these. So I hope you can tell, but like what colors they are, but it is silver and like a cream and white. So I love it. So these were $6.99, the little decorative balls. And I'm sorry if you hear someone using a chainsaw. I decided to record this video as my neighbor was cutting down trees. So sorry. So those decorative balls will possibly go in here. I'm not really sure. Here's the receipts. Okay, so this lantern, I do want to put this on our fireplace in our new home. This one is $9.99. So yeah, I might put those in there. I might use like a battery operated candle. Not really sure yet what I'm going to do. And this was the first thing I picked up. I just absolutely loved it. It's very like just rustic looking with the like whitewash kind of feel to it, distressed, very pretty. So this is wooden, it's not plastic, it is wooden. And this was $5.99. So yeah, not sure what I'm gonna put in this, but it will be used because I love anything that holds anything. I love baskets or whatever. So speaking of baskets, there are two more. This one I bought with the intention to put my napkin holder on my dining room table and the salt and pepper shaker and like a decorative flower that I have. And I got this color, like the natural wood look, because my dining room table is white, so I wanted there to be a contrast. I didn't want to use this because it was too big, so you can see the size difference. They're like the same length, but the height is definitely different. Okay, so I was trying to wait on them to stop using the chainsaw, but I'm pretty sure that they're just cutting the tree into smaller pieces now. So I only have one item left. I'm gonna just go ahead and record it. So this is a set of 3 storage bins. I'm all about some storage bins and baskets and all that kind of stuff. So these are silver and they're metal, they're not plastic. And these were $11.99 for a set of 3. And I bought these with the intention of using them in the pantry. I thought it would be really easy to grip and handle, like just use this as a handle. I thought it would be easy so we could see what's inside while it's still on the shelf. So yeah, that is the end of my haul. I hope that you guys enjoyed. I hope that the background noise wasn't terrible. And if you guys have any questions about anything, please leave them in the comments down below. Also, I would just love it if you left a comment just letting me know that you guys stopped by. I love to hear from you guys. I love to talk with you guys. So please leave me a comment down below. I would love to hear from you guys. I hope you guys have a great, wonderful, and blessed day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys. Before it all went down. And there goes the tree. Okay, they're okay. The sound of a tree falling. Oh, I think everybody's okay. I saw 2 guys a while ago. I see 2 guys now, but I don't see my actual neighbor. Anyway. I just have one more item. Can you guys just like pause it for a second? Who is it? What do you need?